So in this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you exactly how you can actually fund your Bitget wallet. You can actually fund Ton inside the Bitget wallet from other exchanger like Bybit or OKS or any kind of exchanger. But in this particular tutorial, we are going to be using Bybit for this particular tutorial. So we are going to be transferring Ton from Bybit to Bitget. So ensure you actually watch this video from beginning to the end, because it's going to be a step-by-step tutorial, and it is very important for those that actually do this particular airdrop, which is called to market. So they're actually calculating your airdrop allocation right now, and it's going to be released by the November 2, which is tomorrow. So you are going to need a little bit of money as a gas fee for you to transfer from Bitget to another exchanger for you to convert it to your local currency. So that is the reason why I'm actually making this particular tutorial. So, and for you to do that, so the first thing you have to do is to actually click on this all minutes. So you are going to choose all minutes so that I'll be able to show you all the currency that is available. As you can see, Ton is actually added to this particular wallet. So I'm going to go over to Ton, click on Ton over here. I'm going to click on this receive, click on receive. As you can see, this is my wallet, so I can use this wallet to actually receive Ton from any of the exchanger. So I'm going to copy this particular wallet, then I'm going to come over to Bybit. So this is my Bybit account. As you can see, I already have fund inside this particular Bybit account. So I'm going to click on this asset over here, click on asset, and show you what you are going to do to transfer Ton. So as you can see, you are going to click on withdrawal, click on withdrawal over here. So as you can see, I already have Ton, which is about 1.43 Ton. So if you don't have Ton, so what you have to do first is to actually go back completely. Then you are going to go over to P2P option, click on P2P option over here. So what you are going to do basically is to use your local currency. Maybe you are actually spending naira or dollar or any kind of currency. You are going to use your local currency to buy USDT. So after you have bought USDT, so the next thing you are going to do, so let's assume that you actually buy either of this particular one. Let's say you want to buy USDT, all you have to do is to click on buy over here, then enter the amount of USDT you actually want to buy in naira. So, and after you have gotten your USDT using your naira, so the next thing you have to do is to go back completely, then come over to this particular option, which is, you are going to click on this particular option, which is the more option over here. So you are going to choose conversion from this option, click on conversion. So what you are going to do basically is to convert that USDT you have bought to Ton. So I'm going to, for the purpose of this particular tutorial, I'm going to be converting like maybe 5 USDT, which is going to give me 1.01 Ton. So all I have to do is to click on get quote over here, click on get quote, then click on confirm. It's very simple and very easy. So click on confirm, and I'm going to get Ton inside my Bybit wallet for me to transfer from Bybit to Bitget. So as you can see, conversion completed. Actually convert 5 USDT to Ton, which is going to give me 1 Ton. So I'm going to go back completely, go back, then go back completely, go back again. So I'm going to click on this asset option, click on asset option over here. Then I'm going to click on withdrawal, click on withdrawal. As you can see, we already have 2.4 Ton from this particular option. Click on Ton. Then we are going to copy the wallet address we copied from Bitget. So we are going to paste it over here, paste the wallet address over here. We are going to choose the network. We are actually using Ton network, which is going to cost us 0.1 Ton, which is about 0.48 USDT. So we are going to choose this particular option. Then one important thing that you have to notice, this particular tag or memo is very, very important. If not, your money is going to be lost. So let's go back to Bitget Wallet. If they actually include that, we should add any memo. As you can see, there's no option for us to actually add any memo, so we are free to actually send this particular money. So I'm going to go back completely, then I'm going to send 1 Ton, so which is going to cost us 0.9 as a fee. So we are going to click on withdraw over here, click on withdraw, and I'm going to click on no verification because it's my wallet address, then click on confirm. So they are going to send OTP to my email address and also my Google Authenticator to actually approve this particular payment. So I'm going to send for the OTP to my email, then go over to my email address. So as you can see, I've successfully gotten my OTP for my email address and Google Authenticator. So the next thing I have to do is to click on confirm over here for me to be able to send this particular payment. So this payment is going to be transferred from Bybit to Bitget Wallet. So I'm going to pause this video. After I've gotten the payment, I'm going to show you the final result of this particular transaction.
A few moments later.
So guys, after waiting for just 15 minutes, I actually got a notification that I received 0.9 tons. So let me show you the result over here. So let me go back to my Bitget wallet. So it's going to load up, because we have closed it for a while. So I'm going to refresh my screen to show you. As you can see, we have $11.56. So when we go over to the Ton wallet, let's see the Ton wallet over here. Okay, or probably let me click on the transaction history. So as you can see, we already have 2.37 ton. So with this particular method, we can actually send without any issue. It's going to be dropping to our Bitget wallet. So if you actually enjoy this video, I will actually encourage you to subscribe, because this is what I basically do on this particular YouTube channel. So I teach you anything related to crypto. So ensure you subscribe, and if you want to see me doing more video like this, please give us a thumbs up so that it will encourage me to do more video like this. Thanks for watching today's video. I will definitely see you in my next video coming soon. Bye.